how you can access your TaxProMax from your phone all by yourself. After you give it out to someone and it has been done for you, either to an agent or you did it all by yourself. So if you are coming across this video, I believe you had registered for TaxProMax and you want to gain access to it directly from your phone all by yourself. So you are welcome to this video. In this video on CAC Business Registration Nigeria Sholadrem 247, I will take us through how you can gain access to it straight forward. Either you did it by yourself or an agent did it for you and you were asked to log in for you to know if it has been done for you. This video will put you through how you can gain access to that. So all you need to do is to click on the link that has been dropped to you by your agent or the link that I dropped in your DM. So once you click on that link, it will take you straight to this particular place. So once you get to this interface, all you need to do is to click on login. It will load up and come down to this place. Once you arrive at this interface, all you need again is for you to input the email that you drop in the form that you fill to that your particular agent or the person who helped you to do the registration. Copy that email and put it here. So once you put that email here, the next thing is for you to click on this forget password. You can see where that arrow is pointing to. You click on forget password. So for this, once you click on forget password, a link will be sent to the email that you have dropped here above. So let me give us example of this. Once you click here, we input that email that you dropped while they were registering for you, that you filled in the form. Then you click on forget password and it will take you to this particular interface. Once you get to this particular interface, what you need to do is to still re-input that same email address. Then you click on send password reset link and give it time to load up. You can see what it shows. We have emailed your password reset link. So the next thing is for you to go to your phone and click on that reset link that has been sent to you. Once you click on the link, it will take you to where you will need to input your password. Now it's now left for you to make sure you input the password that you can remember. Make sure the first letter is capital letter, other letters should be small letter, and it should have a symbol, either star or hash or at. Input it and also input a number. Make sure you don't forget it. Once you input the password, it will ask you to confirm that password again. The same password that you input in the first place, confirm it in the second place. Then you click on proceed and it will open up your TaxProMax profile interface for you. Let's go into the physical example of what I was explaining. You can see you will have that link in your email. Just click on this reset link. You can see hello, you are receiving this email because you request a password reset for your account, which means your TaxProMax account. You can see the sender of the email is TaxProMax. Just click on reset password, then it will open up this interface for you where you need to refill some details for it to be able to set it up successfully for you to gain access to your dashboard. So here, that same email that you drop for your client or that you drop for me or that you drop for the agents that help you to register your TaxProMax, input that same email here. Then you are going to input a password. This password should be a kind of password that is unique. Unique in the sense that it should have a capital letter, a small letter, a special character, and a number. So for the purpose of this video, let me put it this way. Let's say lecture is our password. Lecture. Then you put at this asterisk at this at Gmail that we used to use. You put at 1. Then you come here again, that same lecture at 1, you impute it here. So for those of us that are gaining access to this video, I believe I have told you the unique password you should use that you will not forget. So for the essence of this video, if you want to use any password that you will not forget, you add at 1 to it, or at 5, or at 15, at whatsoever. Just make sure it is unique in that way so that you will not forget it. It will be easier for you anytime you want to give it out to someone, either to file your VAT or to file your VAT yourself, to pay whatsoever you want to do. It will be easier for you to remember once you do that. So once you click on confirm, then you click on reset password. So I'll be doing that now. Then after you have done that, same password should be in the password and confirm password. Then you click on reset password. You give it time to load up. It's going, which you will be seeing just like the next interface you will see in this video. But before I take us there, if you've watched this video to this extent and you are yet to like, quickly smash the like button. If you have any question, drop your question in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to join the family. You should know that this video is for educational purpose. So make sure to do your own research. Let's continue. The next interface it will take you to is this place. So once you arrive at this place, it means you've already gained access to your TaxProMax interface, to your TaxProMax account. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.